Let's make quinoa tabbouleh with cucumber and mint. The recipe is in the description box below. Rinse the quinoa under cold water in a fine sieve. In a pot, combine the quinoa with water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Fluff the cooked quinoa with a fork and let cool completely. Dice the cucumber and tomatoes. Chop the onion, the parsley and the mint. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooled quinoa and stir in the cucumber, tomatoes, onion, parsley and mint. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Then pour over the quinoa mixture and toss gently. Chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!